Everyone tells you to organize your data. They're wrong. Data is useless if you have to spend your entire day managing it. The future isn't a better database, it's a CRM that manages itself. I've spent years helping agency owners and B2B managers scale their operations. I've seen the same pattern every single time. Founders buy a powerful CRM, spend 3 months configuring it, and then it becomes a digital graveyard. Because the tool doesn't do the work, you do. By 2026, the traditional manual CRM will be dead. It's being replaced by AI agents. Autonomous systems that don't just store your leads, but research them, qualify them, and book the meetings for you while you sleep. In this video, I'm showing you how to stop buying static databases and start building an AI-driven sales engine. If you want to stop being a data entry clerk and start being a CEO, pay attention. Think about your current CRM. It's probably a digital graveyard. You spent weeks setting up pipelines. You paid for the pro plan. You told your team, if it's not in the CRM, it didn't happen. But here's the reality, your team hates it. They don't see it as a sales tool, they see it as admin work. So they cheat, they keep notes in Slack, they use hidden spreadsheets, or worse, the most critical deal info is locked inside a salesperson's head. Now, as a manager, you're flying blind. You look at your pipeline and see a hot lead from 3 weeks ago, but that lead already ghosted them. The data is stale, the reporting is a lie. You aren't running a sales process anymore, you're running a data entry business. You're paying hundreds of dollars a month for a tool that actually slows you down. That's the CRM trap. The belief that if you just find the asterisk right software, your organization problems will vanish. But the problem isn't the software, it's the manual labor. By 2026, managing your CRM will be as obsolete as filing paper invoices. Stop thinking of your CRM as a digital filing cabinet. Most of us treat it like a chore, a place where data goes to die because your sales team hates updating it. The real solution isn't a better way to organize data, it's removing the need to organize it at all. Enter the autonomous CRM. By 2026, we aren't going to use CRMs, we're going to manage AI agents that run them for us. Let's break down why the manual CRM is dead and how the agent-driven model actually works. Traditional CRMs rely on human discipline. If your rep forgets to log a call or update a lead stage, your pipeline is a lie. This is the manual tax. You're paying for software, but you're spending hours on data entry. AI agents flip the script. Instead of you telling the CRM what happened, the agent tells you what's happening. Imagine this, an agent monitors your top 50 leads. It notices a prospect just got promoted or their company just raised a Series B. It doesn't just alert you, it researches the trigger, finds a relevant case study from your archives, and drafts a hyper-personalized email. It then updates the lead status to hot and puts a task on your calendar. You didn't type a single word. Now you don't need to throw away your current stack to get this. You just need to choose tools that are built for this shift. If you're scaling a massive operation, HubSpot is the powerhouse. Their ecosystem is leaning hard into AI-driven hubs. If you're a lean agency focused on the visual pipeline, Pipedrive is still the gold standard, but only if you pair it with external automation agents. But if you want the 2026 experience today, look at Agitation. It's built for the data-first world. It's flexible, fast, and designed to be plugged into AI workflows rather than forcing you into a rigid box. The shift is simple. Stop measuring CRM adoption and start measuring agent efficiency. Your job is no longer to manage the database. Your job is to review the agent's suggestions, and close the deal. That is how you scale without adding more headcount. Now here is the reality. You still need a place for your data to live, but you need a tool that actually plays nice with AI. If you're scaling a massive operation, HubSpot is still the gold standard. It's the engine that powers the biggest B2B plays. If you want a lean, visual pipeline that doesn't get in your way, go with Pipedrive. But if you're building an AI-first agency and want total flexibility, use Atio. It's the closest thing to a self-organizing database available right now. The result, you stop being a data entry clerk. You start being a closer. Your AI agents handle the noise, you handle the revenue. I've put the best links for all three in the description below. Pick the one that fits your current stage and start automating.